Hey my loves, we are back. Let's get into this install. Exyhair sent over 5 packs of their 12-inch Afro Kinky curly texture, 100% human hair in natural black. Let's unbox, shall we? Hold on, y'all. We had to get us a thumbnail real quick. This hair is soft to the touch, it stretches to 12 inches, and is perfect for a natural look. An honorable mention, today's model, which is my gorgeous girl. And whosoever invented this doohickey / contraption, thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts, from all braiders across the world. All right, now let's prep the hair for the braiding rack. This hair is perfect for making locks, lock extensions, twists, braids, or even repairing damaged locks. The hair itself can last you over 12 months with proper care. I'm separating the hair. The goal is to make sure each piece is equal / identical as much as possible. At this point, I've been braiding for years, so I'm able to just eyeball it. This is for easy access and it speeds the process. This hair can be dyed and bleached. It also ranges from 18 inches to 16 inches, and the texture is 4B4C Kinky curls. So this was just one bundle and what we had left of it. This is basic parting, but we do like to get her as clean as possible. Nothing new here, nothing new to see. Peruvian white has been my go-to and the fave. Here we're adding some braiding gel to seal, which I find helps with less shedding from the braid. If you tried this, let me know what you think. Y'all, this process is moving smooth and effortlessly. Side note, no synthetic hair was used in the making of this video. Do y'all see the shine and the quality of that curl? I know you see it. So we went with medium boho, all human hair, 100% no synthetic fibers. It's true to length. It's full and thick from the root to the tip, and I had no tangling or shedding. Here we were about 3 packs in, and each pack is about 30 grams, which is around 1 ounce. So I was trying to use all 5, but we wanted the fullest, most voluminous look. And for the final reveal, my chick bad. I had to, but y'all see what we did add was some water and some mousse, and the curls are popping. Shiny, bouncy, springy, all of the above. The style options are endless. My girl is picture perfect. Have you tried this style? Let me know. And thank you for watching.
Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.